Alright, welcome once again. This course in this series wasn't supposed to be so early, but I brought it because of demand, whatever. So, B.Tech Information Technology and Mathematical Innovations, today's topic. Let's go. This program is offered and taught at Cluster Innovation Center. We can call it CIC, and it is an autonomous center or a department under the University of Delhi. Here we will discuss about the core courses, the discipline specific electives or DSE, which we call, and generic electives or GE. Fine. Now, again, see GEs, DSEs, SECs are called skill enhancement courses. We have value addition courses, VACs, and ability enhancement courses, AECs. Of the ones offered in a semester will depend on the availability of the faculty and the interest of the students as well, which will prevail more the availability of the faculty, of course. Okay. And as for the AEC, you have EVS1, EVS2, which will be held at CIC, but you also have to read a language. Okay. And get this straight, if you choose a language in the first year, you cannot change it in the second year. So choose very carefully. I made a mistake on this one. Choose very carefully. And in CIC, we do not have language faculty for AEC, because there will be multiple language papers that will be opted by different students. So you will be assigned a college, you will visit that college, you will take the classes. Exams will be in CIC only, internals will be there in the college. These are also called cluster colleges. So we begin with semester 1. I have also mentioned on the third column of every page the faculty. Here faculty means which uh, faculty subject or faculty stream will offer a particular course. Okay. In semester 1, you have single and multivariable calculus and discrete mathematics and its applications, both from mathematics. You have one IT paper, which is programming fundamentals. It's in the C programming language. And you have a GE here. You can choose either one of them. Okay. And also let me make one thing clear here. Up to semester, okay, I'll just go on telling you the intricacies. Like in semester 1 and 2, you can only choose one out of the two GEs. Can you take extra papers? Yes, you can. NEP allows that, but by default, this is what you get. Okay, one of them. If you can talk to the respective faculty in CIC or program coordinator and make respective arrangements, yes, you can. And if faculty is available in a differential time frame which will have to be made if you take an extra course, if things are made available, then yes, you can take one extra course as per NEP. Otherwise, the default configuration I told you, either physics 1 or engineering chemistry 1. Physics offered by physics and electronics faculty, chemistry offered by chemistry biology faculty at CIC. As we go to semester 2 here, from mathematics, you under DSCs or the core courses. From mathematics, you have engineering through linear algebra, and from now on, for quite some time, you will have two courses from IT in each semester. You have data structure and design. You have object oriented programming. GEs, you can choose one of them, and there's a prerequisite. If you want to choose this one, you should have read physics in semester 1. If you want to choose this one, you should have read chemistry in semester 1. Okay. Now for semester 3. Also, I will tell you some insider things as well, which are not reflected on the paper as such. So under DSCs for mathematics, you have modeling continuous changes through ordinary differential equations. You have operating systems from IT. You have computer systems architecture from IT. Now coming to the GEs, you have four options, and now your minor streams start. So from the management faculty, you have economic behavior. From Physics electronics, you have electronic circuit elements and innovation lab. From chemistry biology, you have flow of information in living systems, and there's another option. Again, these two are the same paper, but they are known by different names at different places. Okay, explorations in living systems or exploring living systems. This paper is also offered in semester 4, but this paper is not floated. Okay, so effectively these three are your options. You have to choose one of them. Okay, and as we okay, in semester 3 you also have the options of DSEs. Now what is the default format? Let me tell you. In semester 3 and 4, you either choose one GE or you choose one DSE. So you on paper have the option, but the DSE courses are not floated. Okay, so you have to choose one among the three GEs itself effectively. You can pause and read it. I'm not covering it now because these papers are also offered in semester 5. We move on to semester 4 here. Talk about DSCs. From mathematics, you have applied probability and statistics. And from IT, you have two papers: analysis and design of algorithms and database management systems. Now, talking about the GEs, if you see the fourth paper, it is offered in semester 3 itself. Again, it's the same paper but known by different names. You see another name here for the same paper: the Living World Systems Approach. But now this is how it has been approved by DU. So names, yeah, you know that. This is not floated. So you have these three options effectively. From management, you'll have strategies and concept for innovation management. From electronics and physics, you'll have electronics at work and circuit simulations. And from chemistry biology faculty, you have in silico biology. This is the first paper related to computational biology in this minor. Okay, and again, the DSEs which are not floated, and these DSEs are also available in semester 6. You can pause and read it now, or you can just move on with me. Now we are into semester 5. Now things change a bit. In semester 5 and 6, you will do this. You will choose one GE and one DSE. Okay, you do not have to alternate between them. Again, I repeat, you'll choose one DSE and one GE. Okay. From DSCs, we have from mathematics, linear programming and game theory, which is the first part of operations research, by the way. From IT, you have data communication and networking and software engineering. Now, talking of the GEs, from management, you have consumer behavior and marketing research. From physics electronics, you have circuit analysis and synthesis. From chemistry biology, you have genes to genomes. So, we are getting more into genetics here in biology. And talking about the DSEs, and one thing you must keep in mind that was also mentioned at the beginning: which DSE papers are floated? There are many of them here. But which one is floated? That depends on student interest and availability of faculty. Which has a higher priority? Availability of faculty. Okay. I'll tell you certain information as well. Like, okay, let's move on first. From you have health data analysis, and you can aside you can see who's offering what. Okay. Game development using Unity. You have 3D printing using Blender. You have applications of data science, a case study approach. This is not offered by the IT faculty, it's offered by the mathematics faculty. Okay. CIC just tells you that every subject is interrelated, and education and problem solving in the real world are interdisciplinary. So that reflects here. You have urban computing, you have IT project leadership, you have fabrication of nanomaterials for devices, you have IoT security and machine learning, and you have integral transforms applications to digital signal processing. Now this time means the semester which will begin in July 2025. Which ones have been offered? Health data analysis has been offered, then applications of data science has been offered, and IoT security and machine learning has been offered. For us, it was about popular vote. For our seniors, that is semester 7 DSEs, it was more about faculty. We'll come to that. We are in semester 6 now. Let's talk about the DSCs first. For mathematics, you have numerical methods for computational mathematics. By the way, this is part 2 of differential equations, ordinary differential equations. You'll find this and that in the same book if you open it. Now from IT you have two papers, information security and artificial intelligence. Among the GEs you have e-business organization and strategy for management, control systems from physics and electronics. This is a very engineering thing, ECE, very ECE thing. And from chemistry biology you have genomics and proteomics. Again, you can always pause the video and search about each of these individual terms if you are stuck, or you can also write down a comment if you have any queries, right? Among the DSEs, this is a bit special, I'll tell you. So you have mathematical modeling and simulation, you have computational fluid dynamics. This one is also offered by mathematics faculty. Our director ma'am is a faculty of fluid dynamics. Otherwise, you'll think that fluid dynamics is in physics, right? But no, mathematics faculty offers it here. Technology-based solutions of societal issues. Now, I did not write the faculty here. It is interdisciplinary, and the prerequisites for the course, if you see the detailed syllabus, which is available on the CIC website and also on the DU website, you'll see that they are asking for programming prerequisites and also biology prerequisites. So it's an interdisciplinary paper. And I'm not aware of who will or who can actually offer it, so I've not written. Medical imaging techniques offered by mathematics faculty. Okay, but medical imaging, what are the things it will include? It also includes computer vision along with other things, but it's offered by mathematics faculty. So our professor Dr. Nirmal Yadav has done her PhD in medical imaging. She teaches this paper. It was offered last year as well. Not last year, last semester. The computational analysis of omics data, biochemistry, biology. Again, I have told this before. Omics, what are the things you have in omics? Genomics, proteomics, transcriptomics, and many more actually. You have virtual reality, which is offered. Complex systems, this is purely interdisciplinary. If you see the syllabus, you'll understand that. And research methodology. Now, again, I have written CIC. Why? Because every teacher teaches this together, kind of. Research methodology. And since CIC is an interdisciplinary department, now I am not exactly aware how they conduct this, but you will be taught to handle and conduct research in different fields: mathematics, management, IT, chemistry, biology, physics, electronics, everything. Fine? Now, the special thing which I was talking about. As I mentioned, under NEP, you can choose four up to, you know, up to courses worth of 4 credits extra in a particular semester. All of the courses are of 4 credits each. There are also some minor courses of 2 credits each, like SECs, VSEs, and AECs, which I have not mentioned here. So in semester 6, what happens is research methodology paper is compulsory for everyone. You have to take this paper. Along with it, you will take another DSE and you will take one GE. So you will read one extra paper in semester 6. right, as compared to the normal course structure. Keep that in mind if you're coming here. In semester 7, now course structure again changes. Let me brief you through it a bit, okay? Again, in semester 7 and 8, you have a major project internship kind of work. I will tell you about that at the end. You have one DSC course only in semester 7 and 8 each. One DSC course, which is the core course, the compulsory course. And you have a pool of GEs and DSEs. How will you choose the GEs and DSEs? I have written it here as well. Either you choose 3 DSEs or you choose 2 DSEs and 1 GE, or you choose 2 GEs and 1 DSE. You can choose things in this way. Alright, now coming to the syllabus. From IT, you have a DSC, which is data mining and data warehousing. You get environment management. Now coming to the G's, okay? Environment management, which is taught by the environmental science faculty. Dr. Dorje Dawa takes this paper. From management, you have principles of financial decision making. Now, devices and nanotechnology. This falls under both electronics and chemistry nanotechnology. So this can be offered by either actually, but I'm not exactly aware who will offer it eventually. And biodefense and bioengineering you have from the chemistry biology faculty. Again, who teaches this? Dr. Jogeshwar Purohit. Yeah. Now, talking about the DSEs, I'll also mention things which have been offered this time. That this time, as in the semester that is beginning in July 2025. So you have options for theory of computation, computational social systems, network science, deep learning and applications. Again, if you see these two, they can be offered by both IT and mathematics faculty. Now, the higher management will plan what to do, what not to do. Natural language processing, operations research. They might put a prerequisite here that you should have done the linear programming course, but everyone is doing it because it's a DSC, so that won't be an issue. Mathematical modeling with emphasis on robotics, it's offered by a mathematics faculty, Dr. Harindra Pal Singh. Okay. Biological networks and data analysis by chemistry biology faculty. IoT security and machine learning by information technology faculty. And this one, integral transforms applications to digital signal processing. These two courses have been repeated from semester 5. Now this time which have been offered, theory of computation has been offered. Then this one has been offered, mathematical modeling with emphasis on robotics. This one has also been offered, biological networks and data analysis. Dr. Ashni Bhatur is teaching this one. This one is being taught by Shobha Rai ma'am. And if the demand is high enough, this paper, deep learning and applications, will be offered as well, might be offered as well, either by a CIC faculty in IT, this time they've planned, or by a guest faculty, whichever is more relevant. Again, if you're watching this video 2 years later, it becomes obsolete, things which I'm saying to you now. And finally, semester 8, earlier. Now, what do you mean by earlier? So, for the syllabus which was active from 2015 up to the syllabus which was active until the batch which admitted in 2021. Okay, the 8th semester was completely devoted to an internship, research work, and things like that. This time they have brought back the coursework following the undergraduate credit framework of the University of Delhi in at par with NEP. For DSC, you have complex analysis and algebra by the mathematics faculty. Among the GEs, again, this format holds. First GE from the humanities and social science faculty, most probably, I might be wrong. You have contribution of Indian knowledge system to science, engineering and technology. From management, you have income tax essentials from basic concepts to tax planning. And from chemistry biology faculty, you have public health and health informatics and integrative biology. If this one is offered, again, Dr. Ashni Bhadri will teach it for sure. This one Mahima ma'am might take, thinking. Again, if it's offered. Like for semester 7 this time, no Gs have been offered. I mentioned that. On semester 8, again, papers offered subject to availability of faculty. The last three papers have been repeated from semester 6. Other than that, from chemistry biology faculty, you have brain and cognition, computational neurosciences. From mathematics, you have modeling continuous changes through partial differential equations. The next part of semester three's course, ordinary differential equations, and semester six's course, which is numerical methods. Then you have crafting digital experiences, a practical approach to web design and programming from IT faculty. Again, machine learning for business intelligence, computer art and design techniques by the IT faculty as well. Finally, I want to talk about the IAPC, which is there. Now, and IAPC stands for Internship, Apprenticeship, Project, Community Outreach. Now, what's relevant for us, a CIC student? This could refer to an industrial internship, a research internship, an academic project, an industrial project, or a community outreach program. Okay, and this funda begins from semester 3, continues till semester 8. In semester 3, either you can do an SSC course, semester long, sorry, skill enhancement course, or you could have done an internship in the holidays, summer holidays, after the second year, or you can do the internship during your third semester as well. So either of them you have to do. In semester 4, either you take an SSC course or you do a semester long project. For semester 5, either you do an internship during semester 5 or you do an internship in the summer break between semesters 4 and 5, or you, if you do not get an internship, you do a semester long project. Semester 6, you do a semester long project. Semester 7 again, internship or semester long project following the pattern of this, but for 7 and 8 also, by the way, I should have added internship here as well, because see, from semester 3 to 6 you have 2 credits. Okay, in semester 7 and 8 you have 6 credits for your IAPC. So here you can do more work and more time you have to dedicate. If it's an internship, you'll dedicate more time to it. If it's a research internship either at CIC or somewhere else, the focus will be on actually writing a dissertation. You can also do some entrepreneurship venture. That option is also there. Don't worry, faculty will always guide you. You're not alone. That's it for this video. Any queries you can write down in the comment section. And that's all. Thank you.